Today, we are embarking on a journey through the Data Analyst Roadmap. If you are looking to break into the field or upgrade your skills, you are in the right place. Let's decode the path to becoming a data analyst. Number 1. Understanding the role. Let's understand what a data analyst does. They are the detectives of the data world, uncovering trends and insights that drive strategic decisions. From cleaning data to creating visualizations, they turn numbers into narratives. Number 2. Industry demand. The demand for data analysts continues to soar. In 2024, every sector from healthcare to finance seeks these data wizards because data-driven decisions are at the heart of modern business success. Number 3. Educational path. A strong educational foundation is key. Whether it's a degree in statistics, computer science, or a specialized data analytics program, education equips you with the theoretical knowledge you need. And don't forget the power of certifications. Courses from Coursera, DataCamp, and others offer focused learning paths. Number 4. Essential skills. You'll need to master Excel for data exploration. A data analyst must be adept at SQL, Python, R, and data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. But it's not just about technical prowess. Critical thinking and effective communication are just as crucial. Number 5. Tools of the trade. The right tools can make or break your data analysis. Excel remains a staple, while Python libraries like Pandas and machine learning platforms like TensorFlow are must-knows. Number 6. Building experience. Experience is invaluable. Internships, real-world projects, and collaborative work provide the hands-on practice you need. They're also a great way to build a portfolio that showcases your skills. Number 7. Job market trends. The job market for data analysts is evolving. With AI and machine learning shaping the future, staying updated with the latest trends is essential for career growth. Number 8. Networking and community. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Joining communities and attending conferences can lead to opportunities and mentorship. Platforms like LinkedIn and GitHub are also great for connecting with peers. Number 9. Certifications and specialization. Certifications can give you an edge. They validate your skills and show commitment to your craft. Look for certifications in data analytics, machine learning, and big data technologies. Number 10. Career advancement. As you grow, so do your career prospects. From junior analyst to senior roles, the path is full of opportunities for those who are curious, driven, and adaptable. And that's the Data Analyst Roadmap for 2024. Remember, the journey is unique for everyone, but with dedication and the right strategy, you can reach new career heights. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us on future career adventures. Thanks for giving your valuable time.